What's going on, everybody? It's James from American Drifter, and it is a beautiful day outside. So nice, in fact, that I thought I'd take a short hike to show you all several pieces of gear that I have from the Hidden Woodsmen. If you want to see what I have, stick around and find out. Yes, I'm fully aware that all the clothes I wear are neutral. This is the Hidden Woodsmen Day Ruck. This is a 25-liter capacity bag, and the color pattern that I have here is real tree camo. We're going to start on the exterior of the bag and then work our way to the main compartment. So we have a grab handle here at the top. The bag has padded and vented shoulder straps as well as the back pad. The shoulder straps have molly webbing on them. That's pretty functional, as well as a sternum strap. And these straps are adjustable at the bottom, and Malcolm has included adjustable Velcro lashing so you can anchor down the excess of the strap, which I appreciate. You don't want to be that guy that's walking around with dangly straps everywhere. All right, so now for the front of the bag, we have anchor points at the top of the bag for sleeping pad or sleep system, as well as the bottom of the bag. And as you can see down here, I've utilized this to keep my excess strap so it's not dangling everywhere. All right, and what I appreciate about this bag is it features functional molly webbing. And what do I mean by that? I mean that the bag isn't covered in molly webbing that you're never going to use. So Malcolm has put molly webbing on both sides of the bag, and I've set this bag up in this manner so you can see how the bag looks in one way without a pouch, and then in the other way with a pouch on it. So you have that option if you need a little bit more real estate with this bag. All right, the main compartment is enclosed by two straps. It's kept secured by two straps down here with the buckles. Okay, you just undo the buckles there and open up the flap. And as you can see on the front, you have a axe sleeve. I'm more of a tomahawk guy, so I've got my tomahawk in here. And then at the top, you can see that the main compartment also has a redundancy. It has two flaps with a buckled strap, just as an extra redundancy to secure the gear in the main compartment. All right, and before we jump into the internals, I just want you to notice that there are also two anchor points with D-rings on either side of the bag. In the event that you had wet items that you wanted to dry out while you're hiking, you're able to attach them with a carabiner and let them dry on the outside of the bag while you're hiking. All right, so let's dive into the main compartment. All right, and now for the interior of the bag, you have 4 pockets in total, and 3 of them are installed with high vis panels. As you can see, this bright orange. So you have one on the back panel and then one on either side here. And the 4th compartment is actually in the front of the bag. I'll just flip it around so you can see it. So you can see it's almost like a mesh material here, and it is secured by this zippered closure. All right, I've placed some objects back inside the bag so you all can see its capability on what it can pack. So I have a smart water bottle here in one of the side pockets and a 32-ounce Nalgene in the other side, and it fits both, no issues at all. And just an idea, if you do want more support for the back panel, I usually take my bushcraft grill and stick it in the back, and it almost acts like a frame when I'm not using the grill for the bag. So just an idea. So there you have it. That is the Hidden Woodsmen Day Ruck. This is the Hidden Woodsmen M44 Haversack, and the color is Ranger Green with the back and top panel in OD Green. This bag features a 2-inch shoulder strap, adjustable buckles, as well as an exterior pocket on the rear of the bag. This bag is secured by one buckle in the front, which is adjustable. Open that up to the main compartment. You have one large main compartment with a high-vis panel installed in the back that acts also as a secondary sleeve. And there you have it. That is the Hidden Woodsmen M44 Haversack. This is the Hidden Woodsmen Survival Kit in Toxic Green. Those of you who know me are probably surprised to see me have a piece of gear in high-vis, but one can appreciate having an accessory that's high-vis. It's something that if it's outside of your bag, it's easy to see, but also if you did want to conceal it, you just place it inside your bag. All right, this bag features a zippered front pocket, and the pocket runs all the way down to the base of the bag, as well as a spacious handle on the side for easy carry. And on the back of the bag, it features a very generous piece of Velcro for patches. Just for the sake of examples, I wanted to place a medical patch, if you did want to use this as a med bag. So you have that option there. All right, so let's open it up and see the internals. All right, and now we have the interior section of the bag, and here I just wanted to show you the layout, the design, and the attention to detail that's put into these products. You have high-vis panels, and they actually conceal pockets on the rear. Then you also have a high-vis panel here, and it has a zipper closure in the back. And this kit, at least for me, is something that's of great value for my vehicle. I keep this inside my truck just because you never know, when something inconvenient is going to happen. So it's always nice to have, your go-to bag in the event of, unforeseen circumstances. This is the Possibles pouch from the Hidden Woodsmen, and this is probably just one of my favorite pouches. I'm not sure if it's because of the indoor camo or what, but it's one of those pouches I bring with me every time I go out. And the layout is pretty simple. You have one zippered main compartment and no additional pockets, but it definitely serves a purpose. I use this pouch specifically for all of my hygiene items, and you have a nice convenient carry handle up top here, and also a tab at the bottom in the event that you wanted to, loop 550 cord through this, and in conjunction use it with the handle and somehow strap this on your side if you chose to do so. So there you have it. That is the Possibles pouch from the Hidden Woodsmen. Here we have the Hidden Woodsmen utility pouches. This one on the left is actually on loan. I just wanted to show you all some of the different color patterns that are offered. This one on the right is my personal one. Heavy duty construction, just like all of the products from the Hidden Woodsmen, very durable. This is a forest green color. Well, there's two tabs actually that come on it, and there's a D-ring on the right side of the pouch. And these are convenient, in the event that you did want to tie this to your belt and carry it on your side. And this one in particular features a high-vis liner, and that high-vis really helps items that you're searching for stand out against the background. So I do appreciate that and the attention to detail that was put into the construction of this bag. All right, and attached to my side we have the Hidden Woodsmen belt pouch in indoor camo. This pouch is great for storing valuables, snacks, or even tinder. Pouch is secured with one buckle. You open the flap, and it features one large main compartment with high-vis. And I'm a big fan of belt pouches, so this is a newer piece of gear for me, and it's one of my favorites. And these are just some of the patches offered from the Hidden Woodsmen. Let's talk about pros and cons. We'll start with cons. The gear can be pricey. However, if you hold out long enough, Malcolm does have several sales throughout the year. Or if you happen to be on eBay, sometimes people post used gear on eBay, so keep a lookout there. That's pretty much it for cons. Now let's talk about the pros. The fabric, the thread, the buckles, all of that is made in the USA, on top of the fact that the bags are made in the USA. You can't get any better than that. And with this gear, you get what you pay for. This gear is very durable. I've had some of these products for well over a year now, and I can say it can definitely take a beating. So it gives me peace of mind knowing that when I go out there, all of my gear is gonna hold up and it's not gonna fail me. Just in case you couldn't tell by the various amount of products that I reviewed in this video, I definitely recommend the Hidden Woodsmen. Anyone interested in camping, hiking, bushcraft, whatever you do outdoors, check out the hiddenwoodsmen.com. Website's in the description. If you have any questions about the products that I reviewed today, please feel free to let me know in the comments down below. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.